Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in to Mr. B Cooks. Jumping right in, we're baking again, and we're going to be doing some chocolate chip cookies. These are a big hit any time of the year. So let's talk about what's in the bowl and what I'm using. I've got my paddle ready, so we're going to put that on. And then in the bowl I have 1 cup of softened butter, so about room temp, maybe a little less. 1.5 cups of dark brown sugar. Half a cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract, and then 1 egg so far, which is right there. So we're gonna slap that down, lock it down, and turn on low and low. As that combines, I will add in the second egg, which has already been cracked, but I want to get this combined up a little bit first, basically creaming the sugar with the egg and the butter. In this bowl, I've got my dry ingredients, which is 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add these in little by little, slowly incorporate those in. Also had half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt. I sifted these together just to get a good combine. So again, just put a little bit in, still locked down. Take it slow because it will proof up at first. We'll come back as soon as I get this all combined. All right, so I've got everything combined as far as the dough goes. Now we're going to turn these into chocolate chip cookies. I'm using chunks and morsels. These are semi-sweet. You can go ahead and use dark chocolate or milk chocolate and kind of mix and match how you like. I'm going to slowly put these in. So I've got it on a 1. To be clear, it's about a 12-ounce package. You don't get a package of chunks and morsels mixed together. So I had a 12-ounce package of chunks, and I added about 2 ounces of the morsels just to give us a nice mix of texture. All right, guys, so it's all combined with the chips now. All I'm doing is just using a tablespoon and just giving a rough shape. It doesn't have to be a ball or anything like that. 1 tablespoon scoops. I'm going to get these trays loaded up, and then they're going to go in the oven. We'll come back when we're ready to drop them in. All right, so I've got them all on. Parchment paper, 375. We're going 8 to 10 minutes. Keep an eye on them, start at 8, and see how they look. It's been a little over 9 minutes. I did check it at 8, and I did swap the trays just to make sure that they were cooking evenly. I'm gonna let these sit for about 3 minutes, and then we'll get a nice, good cook. So there you have it. Chocolate chip, chocolate chunk cookies. They're nice and soft. Anyways, you know the drill. Subscribe, share, like, comments down below. Let me know about your chocolate chip cookies, and take care.